Hi, I'm Jonathan from Princeville Credit Advocates. The first Tuesday of every month is marked in my calendar. I obsessively update my newsfeed from 2:30 to get insight into the RBA's meeting and rate determination. I've always worked with my broker to unlock the best finance offers, particularly when a fixed interest or introductory offer period is about to end. Now more than ever, it's simple and feasible to change lenders. The cost is roughly $1,200, and in all cases I've made the switch, I've saved that money on interest inside 6 months, and also benefited from cash payments to encourage the switch. It pays to be a savvy mortgagee and a savvy finance broker. As it turns out, I'm in the minority. Recent findings from Aussie showed that over 50% of borrowers are currently not interested in or don't know if they want to refinance their home, whilst 28% have no idea of their current rate. The RBA stated some time ago that they would be unlikely to increase rates until 2024 at the earliest. Although with the impact of COVID slowing and Australia experiencing a greater economic bounce back than anticipated, the next rate rise could be just around the corner. I would encourage you to ensure your clients are protected from future rate hikes. Bear this in mind, most first homeowners and people under 40 have not yet experienced a rate rise since becoming a mortgagee. When they go up, the announcement to increase rates usually comes from the big four banks within minutes. With property price growth at an all-time high and mortgage payments compared to income at an all-time high, it's important that as a trusted advisor, you are helping your clients navigate a changing financial landscape. If in the course of helping your clients shore up their financial future, you find an issue on their credit file, limiting their access to finance, please contact the team or your partner at Princeville Credit Advocates to see how we may be able to help. Call 1300 936363 or email help@princeville.com.au today.